The quote, "You are free to choose, but you are not free from the consequences of your choice," encapsulates an important aspect of personal responsibility and decision making. It emphasizes that while individuals possess the freedom to make choices, they also bear the responsibility for the outcomes that result from those choices. This concept applies to various aspects of life, including relationships, career paths, personal habits, and moral dilemmas. Every decision we make has consequences, whether positive or negative, immediate or long-term. The outcomes of our choices can shape our lives and the lives of those around us. Therefore, it is crucial to approach decision-making with careful consideration and wisdom. To choose carefully means taking the time to evaluate the available options, considering the potential outcomes, and reflecting on our values and priorities. It involves gathering information, seeking advice if necessary, and weighing the potential risks and rewards. Making thoughtful choices increases the likelihood of positive outcomes and helps us align our decisions with our long-term goals and aspirations. Consider a person who is faced with the decision of entering into a romantic relationship. They have the freedom to choose their partner, but they are not free from the consequences of that choice. If they choose a compatible and loving partner, it may lead to a fulfilling and supportive relationship. However, if they make a hasty or incompatible choice, it could result in unhappiness, conflicts, and potential heartbreak. Career choices. Imagine someone who has the freedom to choose their career path. They can select a profession based on their interests, skills, and aspirations. However, the consequences of their career choice will be significant. If they choose a profession aligned with their passions and talents, it can lead to job satisfaction, personal growth, and financial stability. Conversely, selecting a career solely for financial reasons or societal expectations may lead to dissatisfaction and a lack of fulfillment. Personal habits. Let's consider a person who has the freedom to choose their daily habits, such as exercise, nutrition, and sleep patterns. If they choose to prioritize their health and well-being by adopting a balanced lifestyle, they may experience increased energy, physical fitness, and overall wellness. However, if they make poor choices by neglecting exercise, consuming unhealthy food, and ignoring sleep needs, it can result in various health issues and decreased quality of life. Ethical dilemmas. Suppose an individual is confronted with an ethical dilemma where they have the freedom to choose between an action that is morally right or wrong. While they have the freedom to make that choice, they are not free from the consequences that follow. Choosing to act ethically and responsibly may lead to a clear conscience and strengthen integrity. On the other hand, making unethical choices can have serious repercussions, both personally and in terms of reputation and relationships. These examples demonstrate that choices are not made in isolation but have far-reaching consequences. By approaching decision-making with careful thought and wisdom, individuals can increase the likelihood of positive outcomes and navigate the potential pitfalls that come with their choices. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more insightful contents.